Now, the global trade landscape is shifting and electric vehicles are becoming a major battleground. Canada is considering imposing tariffs on Chinese-made EVs following similar moves by the United States and the European Union. Now, this comes amid concerns about China's dominance in EV production, fueled by significant government subsidies. Research shows China has provided $231 billion to its EV industry since 2009. These subsidies allow Chinese manufacturers to offer competitive prices, potentially undercutting Western rivals. The number of Chinese EVs arriving in Canada soared fivefold in the last year, raising worries about job security in the Canadian auto industry. While Canada aims to align with U.S. trade policy, it also treads cautiously to avoid retaliation from China, a major trading partner. The EU has already imposed tariffs as high as 48% on Chinese EVs, and the U.S. quadrupled tariffs in May. Canada's potential move further escalates the trade war in the electric vehicle market. Japan has imposed sanctions on China-based firms for their involvement in supporting Russia's war effort in Ukraine. These sanctions target companies supplying microchips for Russian drones, marking the first time Japan has sanctioned Chinese firms. China has firmly opposed these unilateral sanctions. The Foreign Ministry says that the relationship with Russia is of mutual benefit and equality.
China firmly opposes unilateral sanctions that have no basis in international law. It is China's legitimate right to engage in normal economic and trade cooperation with Russia on the basis of equality and mutual benefit. This is a lawful right of China, which cannot be undermined by outside interference.
China, the world's biggest pork consumer, has launched a retaliatory investigation into pork imports from the EU. This could lead to tariffs on European pork, further impacting an industry already struggling with rising costs and declining domestic consumption. EU farmers and processors fear Chinese retaliation will exacerbate existing challenges and raise prices for consumers.
According to relevant laws and regulations in China and WTO rules, domestic industries have the right to file investigation applications to maintain normal market competition order and protect their legitimate rights. For applications filed by domestic industries, the investigation agency would conduct review in accordance with laws. If the conditions for filing a case are met, the investigation agency would start the filing procedure and disclose and issue public announcements according to the law.
The impact of these measures will unfold in the coming months, shaping the global trade landscape.